Hey, what's up? What you doing? How's life? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I am back with a hair video. This wig is 30 inches from Amazon. I'll link everything down in the description box below. Ignore my braids, please. They weren't the best, and I'm just trying to hurry up and go. So I'm placing my wig on. Cutting the ear tabs first just makes life a lot easier. I started my hair at like 12. I didn't finish till 3, but I'm using witch hazel to clean it up. And then I just use a random glue. Y'all, this isn't even the best glue. It did not hold my wig down. I'm on like day 4 of the wig and it's already lifting. But then again, it's probably just me. User error. And I'm trying to let it dry tacky. Clear. No, as you can see, I didn't wait till it's clear. But that's what you should do. Honestly, I don't have the time. And if it gets too clear, then the wig doesn't even stay down. But that's a story for another day and another time. And then now I'm removing all the excess. And right here, I realized that the wig was too much in front. This is a pretty big wig. So I just removed all of that excess hair and lace so it could actually sit on my forehead and on my eyebrows. Yep. Lace wear. Just kidding. There. But have no fear. Just add your black spray. Again, everything that I use will be in the description box below. And now I'm making my little C part for side parts. Whoever started doing that, they ate so effortlessly. They ate so effortlessly with the C part, side parts. And I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron. That flat iron needs to get returned because for $200, I don't know. That was definitely an impulse buy. Getting returned immediately. But as you guys can see, it's pretty good. I got it to be, like I said, it was like 3 something. Look at that. Can we pause? I love the look. I really do. Side parts are my babies. They will forever be my baby. Look at it. Super cute. Like I said, I did get it flatter the next day. Like, my hair was really silky. This is 220% density. As you guys can see, it really is thick. Like, super thick. But anywho, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, by the way, guys, I moved. Hopefully in the near future, you'll see videos about it. But okay, bye.